Hey, yeah, all programmers out there. I'm here to tell you one thing that they don't tell you. See me here, just giving up right now. I don't even know what to do next. I've been trying to fix a error for like 2 to 3 days now. I can't figure it out. I go to Stack Overflow, the shit is fucking up. There's one thing that we don't get right. Most times we enter programming and we just want things so fast, we want things so quick. You want to make an app in just 2 days, you want to do everything in just a short period of time. You see? But the thing is, it's not easy. That journey out there is not easy. So you just have to be determined, pursue it, just go through your passions and keep moving. So I just want you to know, even me, myself right now, I know it's hard for me, but I'll make it. That one error, I'm going to fix it in 3 days. See you.